Traditionally, the market quietens off as we go into the summer holidays and prepare for the autumn market. We've been seeing a lot of houses. The UK at the moment is running about 15% higher in terms of the number of houses on the market, which is meaning that there's more choice out there for buyers. We've got nearly 50 houses coming on as we go into the autumn. We're already sort of preparing for. So there's going to be lots and lots of choice for people, and it's really important when you're bringing a house to market, you price it sensibly. Rightmove talked about a couple of weeks ago the biggest house price correction in July for nearly 20 years, and that has sort of made people very cautious, and there was talk about house price crashes. Well, I've been in the market for over 40 years and I've heard talk about house price crashes all during that time, and in reality I've never really seen that. You've seen corrections, a few percent up and down, but some of the sort of ludicrous situations where people are suggesting 50% falls in prices are never going to happen, and I really do mean that. But it's a good market out there. There's a lot of sort of different views, but we are finding that it's a good market. Properties are selling well, and there's less uncertainty ahead. There's even talk about interest rates coming down at the next monetary policy meeting, beginning of August. So I think now is a good time to be considering selling. Obviously, you have to make sure it works for you, and it's all relative to what you're wanting to buy. And if you get your house on the market now at one of the busiest times as we move towards the autumn market, you should be able to get moved before Christmas. So if you're thinking of selling, give us a call and we'd be delighted to come out and have a look at your property and tell you how we go about selling it, all the costs involved, and what we'd recommend in terms of price.